Good evening, young time travelers. Welcome to Bedtime Time Travels, the podcast where we journey through time to explore the incredible lives of extraordinary people. Tonight, we set our sights on the stars with Galileo Galilei, a visionary whose curiosity led to groundbreaking discoveries about our universe. But before our story continues, let's take a moment to talk about how you can become a more integral part of our Bedtime Time Travels family. By supporting us on Patreon, you not only help keep the stories coming, but also get to enjoy some special perks. We've set up a few tiers on Patreon, each with its own unique rewards. For instance, at the Dreamer tier, you can access episodes early. With the Adventurer tier, you might get exclusive content like behind the scenes looks or bonus episodes. And for our Time Traveler supporters, there are even more exciting benefits like monthly Q&A sessions, personalized shoutouts in our episodes, and the chance to vote on future episode topics. Your support at any level means the world to us. It fuels our journey through time and helps bring these stories to life. So if you're ready to take the next step and join our time traveling crew, head over to our Patreon page and find the tier that's right for you. Now, back to our story. Galileo Galilei was born in 1564 in Pisa, Italy. From a young age, he showed a keen interest in the world around him, particularly in mathematics and physics. Galileo's curiosity and intellect led him to the University of Pisa, and then to the University of Padua, where he delved into various scientific studies. However, it was his fascination with the stars that truly ignited his legacy. In 1609, Galileo heard of a device called the spyglass that could make distant objects appear closer. Intrigued, he improved upon this early telescope, making it more powerful and turning it towards the stars. What he saw revolutionized our understanding of the universe. He observed mountains on the moon, discovered the moons of Jupiter, and noted the phases of Venus, providing strong evidence against the geocentric model of the universe that we covered in our Copernicus episode, which placed Earth at the center. Beyond his astronomical achievements, Galileo was also a man of wit and a prolific inventor. He is credited with improving the compass design used by sailors, making it more accurate and easier to use. He also invented a thermoscope, an early version of the thermometer, which allowed for more precise temperature readings. His interest in mechanics led him to study the motion of pendulums, and he discovered that a swinging pendulum takes the same amount of time to return to its original position, regardless of the arc's length. This observation would later influence the development of pendulum clocks, improving timekeeping accuracy. One of the lesser known but fascinating aspects of Galileo's life is his blind belief in the perfection of celestial bodies. He strongly opposed the idea that the moon could have imperfections, such as craters and mountains, as his observations through the telescope revealed. He believed these features were optical illusions or atmospheric disturbances rather than actual physical features. This shows us that even great minds like Galileo had their biases, and it took years for him to accept that celestial bodies were not perfect spheres as previously idealized. This aspect of his story is a valuable lesson in the importance of keeping an open mind and being willing to change one's own belief in the pursuit of truth. Galileo was also a pioneering physicist. He famously challenged Aristotle's long-held beliefs about gravity. In a bold demonstration at the Leaning Tower of Pisa, Galileo dropped two spheres of different masses to show that their speed of falling was independent of their weight, debunking the then accepted notion that heavier objects fall faster. This experiment was a crucial moment in the development of physics, laying the groundwork for the study of motion and mechanics. Galileo's observations and his support for the heliocentric theory, which stated that Earth and other planets orbit the Sun, brought him into conflict with the authorities of the time, particularly the Catholic Church. Despite facing opposition and spending his later years under house arrest, Galileo continued his research and writings, contributing significantly to the scientific revolution and laying the groundwork for modern physics and observational astronomy. As you drift off to sleep tonight, let Galileo's story inspire you to always question, explore, and seek the truth about the world around you. His unyielding pursuit of knowledge and his courage to challenge accepted beliefs remind us that the quest for understanding is a noble and never-ending journey. Good night, young time travelers. May your dreams be filled with the wonder of the cosmos, and may you always have the courage to look beyond the horizon, just as Galileo did when he first turned his telescope towards the stars.